Divas, it is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. Today's video is going to be a review and demo of a product line that I brought at the World Natural Hair Show. I bought the whole entire product line, but what I loved about this product line is that I was able to get a travel of sizes, and I didn't buy the regular sizes. So I can't wait to share with you that product line. First, I want to say thank you for your likes, your shares, your comments. I'm truly enjoying the feedback we're having with each other. I'm learning from you all. I hope you're learning a little bit from me. So thank you for that support. If you're new to my channel, check out the channel, look at and view my videos. And if you like what you see, hit the subscription button and the notification bell and come join the Natural Divas family. Today, my product line that I'm going to talk about is the product line by a woman named Shauna Moses. She's the founder. She is a woman of color. She decided to start her own product line because she said she got tired of having dry, brittle hair, and she couldn't find any products out there that really moisturize her hair without her doing it more than 3 or 4 times a day. So she also had a background in, let's see what she said. She was a laboratory scientist, and she had that background, so she was able to, for about 2 years, just dabble around till she found some products that was great for her hair. And after researching and doing all of her and developing her products, she decided to put it out there for others to buy. She says she has gotten rid of the dry hair. She's got moisturized hair, and her hair has flourished and grown. But this is her. Let me try to so y'all can see it. This bright light right here for some reason. That is Miss Moses, and that is the line. She is Kinky Tresses. The line I'm going to review and demo today is called Kinky Tresses. Ooh, this hot thing is making me hot. So, guys, I'm going to try to make my videos shorter so you can enjoy them and don't be so long. I'm going to put over here the demonstration of how I use each product, and I'm going to tell you about how it was for me. The first part of this product that I liked was the shampoo. The little travel size shampoo I have here. I'm going to put a picture of it over here too. I love the consistency of it. It was very cleansing. What I love about it, it smells fresh and lemony to me. It's called, let me put my glasses on. It states that it has distilled water, it has no mineral oils, no petroleum, parabens, sulfates, or silicone. It's avocado infusion sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo, gently cleanse away dirt and debris without stripping away natural oils. This rich, creamy shampoo infused avocado oil into the hair shaft as it cleanses, leaving the hair soft and moisturized. And that is true. I usually wash my hair twice because the first time when I put shampoo in it, it doesn't lather up like I want it to, but then the second time it lathers up. But with this shampoo, it lathers up the first time. This what you're seeing right here is where I was washing it the first time and it lathered up. So I really like this. And when I rinsed it out, my hair felt very cleansed and moisturized. It didn't feel stripped. But I like this. I really like this shampoo. And then the next thing I used was the restorative conditioner, and this is it right here. I'll put a picture of it over there. This is it was really a whipped. I love the texture of it. It was a whipped conditioner. I didn't use a lot of it, as you can see. If you can't see it, I didn't use a lot of it. I know I got about another 2 usages in here. If you see over here, it actually divides your hair in 4 sections and then comb it through your hair. And then you can leave it in for 5 minutes and rinse it out, or you can put it on for 10 to 20 minutes for a deeper conditioning. I put it on for 5 minutes, and then I think I put it on for 10 minutes, but I also covered my head with a plastic cap to get some moisture, the heat in there. So I rinsed the hair, and then it says to apply the milk afterwards. So I rinsed the hair, and my hair felt really good, moisturized, which was shocking, but it felt a little weird. I can't say how it felt. It didn't feel, I don't know how it felt, but it just felt different to me. So I liked how that, I don't know, it just felt different after I rinsed it out. And then it says use the milk, the hair milk afterwards. And the hair milk, which is up here, I love the hair milk, but it's more like a cream. It's not a milk. I mean, this is me holding it like this, and it's not coming out. And it's not coming out. That's how thick it is. So I don't see it as a milk. I see it more as a cream. They could put this in a jar instead of just kind of bottle. But the larger one, I think, is a pump. So maybe, I don't know. But it is an avocado infusion hair milk. It's a leave-in hair milk. It is delectable treat for your hair. It is infused with nourishing oils and botanical extracts. This pH balanced formula is specifically formulated to moisture, nourish, and seal the cuticles to bring out the lustrous shine. It leaves the hair feeling soft, silky, and moisturized. And that is true. My hair felt soft, silky, moisturized. You can see when I was combing it through with the dimmer brush, it was just going through it, no problems. It was just soft. My curls were popping. They started clumping. So I really liked the hair milk. And then after I washed out the hair, no, I didn't wash out the hair milk. Forgive me, y'all. After I combed the hair milk through, I put in some hair butter, which is like also another whip thing. Only thing about those products, they all smell like lemony fresh. This smells like a vanilla butter, like, and an almond or vanilla smell to it. And it's for dry and brittle hair. This delectable hair butter doubles as a daily moisturizer. They say you can use it as a moisturizer daily, or you can use it as a butter to do a twist out. I did not do a twist out. Y'all know I'm not a twist out girl. I am a wash and go girl. So I decided to do it as a wash and go and see how it turned out. And this is what my results were. I got definition. I got curls and ringlets. I mean, I have a little frizz, and I think that's because I was stretching it out. Because I use on top of it, which I should have mixed in my hand first to see if they melt together. They didn't at first when you first touch it, but then you rub it in for a while in your hand and let the product warm up, it melted it and it went straight on without problem. So I used the Wet Line Extreme to give me a little hold because it's summertime. If it was wintertime, I probably wouldn't have used the Wet Line. I would just went on and had the butter and the milk as my styler. But I had to have some gel for the summertime. If not, my curls won't last. So this is the final product of the Kinky Tresses. I really love it. My hair feels soft. It's not dry. It's moisturized. It's shiny. It smells amazing. And I have so much definition, which I didn't think I would get because I didn't do a twist out. I did a wash and go. And it just feels soft. I can't wait for a couple of days and see how much volume I get out of it. So I am loving this hair. Loving it. Loving it. And it's so bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. So it looks great. Let me turn around the back so you can see it. So this is my review and demonstration of the Kinky Tresses line by Miss Shauna Moses. Please go out and support her. This is a great line. Check her out on www.kinkytresses.com. I don't think she's sold in any stores yet, but check it out. You might enjoy it. So she is true. It is really a great line for dry hair. If you have dry hair, this will give you some freaking moisture. I have so much moisture in my hair right now. So thank you again for your likes, your love, your support, your comments. And have you ever tried any of the Kinky Tresses line? I know this might not be new to some of you all, and if you have tried it, can you tell me what product of the product line did you use, or did you use the whole product line, and how did it turn out for you? this is something I will be buying. I probably will buy all of them from her. So I'm loving this. Just reading her little bio in the back. I love this. So and then it came in this little cute bag that I can take it and travel with it. So this is cute. I love this. So thank you for your likes. And she has an oil too. I'm looking here and see there's an oil there she sells, hair oil. I might buy that. So thank you for your likes, your love, as I said before. And if you like what you saw and you're new to my channel, hit the subscription button and join the Natural Diva family. I truly will appreciate it. We're at 294. And I am enjoying every last one of you all. So thank you again. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.